Kayo titigil. Kung malugi man kayo, malugi kayo. Aralin nyo kung paano kayo nalugi. Para pagbalik nyo, sobrang lakas nyo na. Yun lang, huwag kayong titigil sa mga.
Hello guys, I'm Luan, the creator of Grind Journal, and for today's video, I would be interviewing the owner of Hasiru Worldwide. If you want to learn more about him, let's get straight into it. Hello sir, I'm Luan, the creator of Grind Journal. What's your name, sir?
I'm Dave Argilia.
Can you tell us more about yourself and what is Hasuru Worldwide?
Dave Argilia, 21 years old, from Naik, Cavite. And ang Hasro Worldwide ay mas kilala sa TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Ang Hasro Worldwide ay streetwear. Yeah, at meron siyang 400K followers sa TikTok.
Do you really see yourself as a negosyante back then?
Yes, kasi yung family ko, businessman and businesswoman sila eh. So, doon ako lumaki talaga.
When did you hit your first million?
Actually, last year lang. Last year lang talaga. Pero sobrang tagal ko nang nagbi-business. Almost 4 or 5 years na rin talaga.
So being in the game for 5 years, ano yung naging biggest factor mo kung paano mo naabot yung first million mo?
Sobrang halaga talaga para sa akin yung teamwork. Sobrang halaga ng teamwork. Sobrang hirap makuha ng first million kung ikaw lang mag-isa.
So,
Siguro merong ibang nakakuha ng first million na sila lang mag-isa. Well, congrats sa kanila, pero para sa akin talaga the best ang may teamwork.
so you surrounded yourself with good people na makakatulong pa para umangat yung business mo. What was your biggest problem as an entrepreneur and how did you overcome it?
Ang para sa akin, yung problema talaga, yung stocks ko eh. Kasi sobrang laging sold out ng mga products ko sa TikTok. So yun yung pinoproblema ko last year hanggang ngayon. Pinoproblema ko siya. Kaya ginawa ko, lahat ng kinikita ko, ina-upgrade ko lahat ng production ko. Binubuhos ko lahat sa business, binabalik ko lang doon para mas mabilis makapag-produce ng mga products para mas madami din akong masupply sa mga tao.
With how saturated the clothing industry is, what made you confident that Hasuru Worldwide would gain traction?
Um, Unang-una sa products namin, yung products namin sobrang kakaiba siya sa Pinas. Sa tingin ko kami may pinakamalaking pants na binibenta sa TikTok world. And sa amin na rin ang gagaling na hindi kami toxic sa mga tao, hindi kami sumasagot sa bash. Kumbaga positive energy lang yung binibigay namin sa audience namin.
If you had to start a business this 2025 from scratch, what would you go for and why?
Um, Clothing pa rin talaga. Kasi alam ko na yung pasikot-sikot dito, hindi na para mag-iba pa ng lane. Alam ko na kung ano yung dapat gawin at hindi dapat gawin.
What was the biggest factor in building a business? Is it college degree or the experience is still the best teacher?
Mas swabe kung parehas kang meron nun. Kaya lang, hindi lahat nakakapag-college eh. Kaya yung iba nag-end up na lang sa experience nila. So mas the best kung parehas kang meron yun. Parehas kang may degree, parehas kang may experience. So mas the best yun. Kumbaga, sure bull ka nun, men.
You've been in the game for 5 years. What was the best financial advice that you ever received in your whole life?
Galing to sa tatay ko, ang sabi niya sa akin, ang pera ng business mo ay hindi mo pera. So yung pera ng business ko, sa business ko lang din siya, pinapaikot-ikot.
Before we end this wonderful episode, can you give a younger generation a powerful advice?
Advice ko lang sa mga nagne-negosyo dyan, huwag kayong titigil. Kung malugi man kayo, malugi kayo. Aralin nyo kung paano kayo nalugi. Para pagbalik nyo, sobrang lakas nyo na. Yun lang, huwag kayong titigil sa mga bata naman dyan. Alamin nyo kung para saan talaga kayo. Sa mga magagaling mag-drawing kayo na mag-drawing. Magaling kayo kumanta, gawin nyo ng masaya yan. Yun lang.
Never ever give up from Mr. Hasiru. It was a pleasure to meet you, Sir Hasiru. It was a great interview with the owner of Hasiru Worldwide. And one of the key points that he shared is huwag kang mahihiya. Kasi hindi ka makakabenta kung nahihiya ka at hindi ka mananalo kung nahihiya ka. At ang pangalawa niyang sinabi ay never ever give up. Just like Mr. Hasiru, he started this business when he was 16 years old, and after 4 years of hard work, he made his first million. And after that, 5 years in the industry, he has Camaro, he has BMW, and he has a house na. So thank you guys for watching and see you on our next vlog. If meron kayong gustong interview namin for the next episode, comment down below.